5 seconds. India is a country with 28 states and 8 union territories made up of people following 9 main religions and speaking more than 22 languages across the length and breadth of the country. To assume that everything is fine in a country with 140 crore population and so much of diversity is not only illogical but also an unprecedented amount of ignorance on our part. There are plenty of social issues that India faces, and in this essay on social issues, we are going to discuss the main issues pertaining to India. What are the social issues that India faces? The following are the mainstream social issues that India faces even in 2020. Communalism. The political class of India has always followed the divide and rule policy. This policy was inherited from the British and is unfortunately followed by the ruling class even today. And what is more unfortunate is people fall into this trap every 5 years during the election time, dividing people off the basis of caste and communal lines in usually referred to as communalism, inciting hatred and bigotry between different sections of people by hate mongering and provocative speeches led to violence and unrest. India has seen some vast communal riots in recent times like the 1991 Mumbai riots, Ayodhya riots, 2002 Godhra riots and the 2020 Delhi riots. Poverty. There are millions of Indians who are BPL below poverty line card holders. While the government has been trying to provide them with food, every government since the time India achieved her independence has miserably failed to lift people out of poverty. Crores of families in India are daily wage laborers who can easily be trapped into the poverty of they do not work even for one day. The issue of poverty has been highlighted and been flashed into our faces during the COVID 19 pandemic when the country was under lockdown for 2 months. Millions of people with lack of livelihood and food were on the verge of starvation. Gender discrimination, the pay gap between a male and a female employee, lack of adequate representation of female leaders in parliament, dowry harassment, lack of equal opportunities both in private and public sector jobs and social stereotypes and stigmas attached with the concept of gender has been a challenging problem for our country from many years. In spite of a separate ministry formed for empowering women in the country due to lack of educational and social awareness, women have been mistreated in the country both in public and private spaces. Female foeticide. India has banned the medical facility from disclosing the gender of the baby before its birth. This was a highly required policy in a country where female foeticide is at an all-time high. Killing of babies inside a womb because the gender of the baby is female is considered to be a crime in the country, and in spite of strict law and order in place, female foeticide continues to exist in India. The reason behind this is a false social stigma associated with girls in the country, assuming that girls are a financial and social burden for the parents. Proper educational and awareness campaigns need to be conducted, especially in rural India, to educate people about the importance of a girl child in a family. Illiteracy, in spite of providing free primary and secondary education, the illiteracy rate in India is very high. This is especially true in economically backward areas where parents would prefer sending their kids to work and earn money than sending them to school. They feel that school and studying cannot earn them a livelihood. Proper awareness has to be created regarding the importance of education in a child's life to encourage parents to send their kids to schools. Corruption from 2G scam to CWG scam and Satyam scam. India has seen corruption scandal both in public and private sector worth thousands of crores. Corruption has slowed down our economic prosperity and resulted in a lot of black money stashed abroad. Corruption has impacted the development of India. Proper policies and laws should be in place to stop and reduce corruption in India.